Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin hitting $70,000 last night, which is amazing. It touched 70,400 and then pulling back a little bit. Look at this volume spike. There was a massive one. We're talking, that's 100 Bitcoin. So that's like 1,000 Bitcoin shot it up to hit 70,400. People discussing COVID, wars, soldiers, what's going on in Ukraine, how that will affect the market, fib levels. You can join them, Guru Chat. There's a few hundred of you online. $2.47 trillion market cap, 411,000 viewers on Bitcoin Price.live. You can set this up on your TV as well and just have it sitting in. And look at that move from 67 to 68. I opened the long yesterday at 68 around here. I opened a 6 Bitcoin long on the breakout, and I'm going to show you. We have a 60K bonus on Bybit. If you trade there, it's my favorite exchange for trading. 72 greed with the fear and greed, 72 greed, 55% dominance. Bitcoin, strong dominance. Funding fee, just slightly positive, 69,700. Crazy that the funding fee is only 0.001 during Bitcoin hitting 70K. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the trade that I opened about 12 hours ago, and it's already $7,000 or $8,000 in the profits, which is beautiful. My account also pumping around $20,000, $25,000 yesterday, which is also beautiful. Dogecoin pumped a lot. We'll do Bitcoin and Doge. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account right now sitting at $727,000. And yesterday it was $701,000, so I'm up $26,000 in the last 2 days, which is beautiful. And I opened a Bitcoin trade yesterday. I posted it on socials. You can see here on my X. I posted it around 16 hours ago. Bitcoin breaking bull flag to the upside. Added a 6 Bitcoin long. We broke out of this bull flag to the upside. Target 74K. I opened a 6 Bitcoin long. Then it was $1,000 in the profit, 1,900. Then it was 6,000. Then it was 4,000. And now it's sitting at, and someone said emotional trading here. Zero emotions for me on this trade. Volatility is best for trading. You can see some of the comments. And my trade now is $7,400 in the profits. So in 16 hours ago, I opened that trade. Yeah. 16 hours ago, opened this trade, and now $7,300 in the profits, which is beautiful. 35% gain, 6 Bitcoin, which is amazing. And on spot, I'm holding Bitcoin 0%, 55% USDT, 16% MCRT. I bought 103 million MCRT off the market. I still have all my seed investments, but you have to do your due diligence. I was a seed investor in that project. Doge 14%, Uni 7%, World 6%. Doge pumped a lot. I've got 303 in cash plus 141 plus 43. So I'm actually, I've only got so out of this $728,000 account, I've got 90,000, so 160, 100 and 200, 230,000 in tokens. And my spot is up 11,000, almost 12,000 yesterday. But so I've got around 200K in tokens and 528K in just dollars, pretty much. MCRT, I've got 90K, up 2%. I've been buying a lot of that. You have to do your own due diligence. Doge, 77K, up 13%. Doge is pumping right now. Wow, look at Doge, 13%. I put 50K into Doge a few days ago, and now it's 77,000, up 13%. Huge congratulations. Uniswap, I put 30K, up 3%, now 39K. World, I put 30K, still around, up 3K. And again, my Bitcoin trade is just exploding, up 7,400. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin and Doge. Massive congratulations to all of you on Doge. Tesla was down a little bit. MCRT up, SUI up, Doge up 15% yesterday. It already reset the 24 hours. Bitcoin touched 70K. This is on the weekly. So now we've broken out, everyone, of these two huge patterns. Massive cup and handle. And we've broken out of that cup and handle. The base of the cup is the target, which if we measure it out, the target for the cup, this distance here, target is 100 and around 100,000 on this cup and handle. Off the low of the handle, this point, I could even say from the support. So it's 108,000 is this handle target. Next one, we have this bull flag, which is a clear bull flag, pole and flag. The distance of the pole is the target. As I teach you in the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com, the distance of that breakout target is around 104,000. Then we had this rising wedge that stochastic is heading up, squeeze mob still growing green. Bitcoin indicator bot, crypto guru bot fired a blue buy back in February 2023 at 20k, still a blue buy at 70k. You get it at jamescryptoguru.com, you get that Bitcoin indicator bot, crypto guru bot. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy 2 weeks ago, still a buy. Stochastic heading up, and we broke out of this rising wedge, but we have to really get out of it to invalidate it. We had a breakout. You can see here we're sitting right underneath it right now. You see here, I'm going to show you this rising wedge. As I teach you in the crypto master course, we're still sitting in it. We need to get out of it. This is a rising wedge. This is the dangerous pattern that I said yesterday. Then when Bitcoin broke to the upside, I went long, but we need to still get out of this rising wedge. It's a bearish pattern. So until we get out of that rising wedge, it's not so safe yet. Let's see if it plays, if we manage to break out. And then stochastic is heading up. Massive volume yesterday, huge buying volume. And when we go closer into the 4-hourly, you can see this is when I went long, when we broke out of this symmetrical triangle or bull flag. If you look at it zoomed out a little bit, it looks like a bull flag. You see it? Pole and flag in the smaller time frame. And if we measure out the distance of this pole from here to the bull flag, I would say here, and we measure it out, the target of this bull flag, I have too many drawings, too many of my technicals, my old technicals. I got to clear up the chart. If we measure out this bull flag breakout, target is 75,000. But again, the only danger we have remaining is we need to break out of this rising wedge. Right now, we're still sitting at the top of it. You see it? Builds pressure and breaks down. We're still sitting at the top of this rising wedge. We're right on it. We got rejected off it. It reached 70,400, but we're still right on it. Where I would take a long right now is I would open from these supports here, 68,700, tight stop loss, and take profit at my 81 plus all these other 81 all the way to the 109k target. Risk toward 97 times. So risking $417. It opens at 68,700. Stop loss 68,200. Risking $400 to make $40,000. Where in the world can you risk $400 to make $40,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage? With 10x leverage, that would be $400,000. That would be the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. And currently, again, I'm already in my trade on Bitcoin, $7,300 in the profits. It's a $411,000 Bitcoin trade, 6 Bitcoin, 411,000, and funding fee only slightly positive, which is amazing. And you can see my trade history here on Bitcoin, my previous trades. When I sold Bitcoin at 64, bought it at 52, sold it at 62, bought it at 59, sold it at 67, bought it at around 67, around a little bit lower, and now we're at 68. At 69, almost 70k. Oh, it's pushing up for 70k again, everyone. And this account is 729,000. This week, 701, 707. So the last 3 days, it went from 701, so $28,000 profit in the last 2 days. Let's go into Doge. Doge is also pumping up 13% today, which is incredible. Doge also pumping. Let's zoom out onto the weekly charts. It's playing out in this massive descending. Let me draw it out first. Descending wedge. This is a bullish pattern. It builds pressure like this, builds pressure and breaks out, and we're already on that journey. And you can see it's playing out. We measure the base of this descending wedge. Target is 21 cents. We also had a big resistance at 17 cents. And since, if you've been following me since we were buying the bottom on Doge, we're already up 96% since we were buying the bottom on Doge, which is amazing. And you can see my Doge trades here, my spot buys of Doge. And look, exactly buying it at 12 on that spike down added into Doge at 12,774, and now we're at 1693. Where I would go long on Doge is need to pull back to support, some kind of strong support area. Here is where I would open it. If you're looking to go long on Doge, best place would be to take it from this major area of support. I would say it's here. And then target 21 cents. Onto major area of support here. So I'd open at 14 cents, stop loss 13.4, and take profit 21, risk toward 14 times, which is amazing. Big congratulations. I've got some questions. You caught it. Great, but take it slowly. Well done, James. Thank you. Alamo setup makes... This is a scam, everyone. Look, I don't know if it's... Yeah, see how there's multiple posts? Alimo. These are scammers, everyone. So my team and me manually hide these guys from the channel and delete them. Alamo setup, I'll get them to clean up the comments. Be careful of these where they spam you with bullshit. Please do Pepe. Diana, same person. I need multiple requests, everyone. I'll pick people over money. It's not all your viewers agree with your political views. I think if you're going against Elon Musk and Trump and going for Harris and Biden, which were puppet politicians that weren't even... Biden was unconscious. He's not even awake. He doesn't even know where he is. If you're voting for someone who doesn't even know where he is, and the person that backed him who doesn't know... who knew that old man didn't even know who he is. So how big of a puppets are these people? Elon Musk is an amazing, amazing person. Donald Trump might be more questionable to people, but Elon Musk, if you're voting for Donald Trump, Elon Musk, JFK, these are the people. Elon Musk will come into government and destroy this swamp, Web3 Infinity token shaping the future world. Why would you start trading so hard at 68 on the breakout? How do you look now? Amazing. Nice. Thank you. Is it going to take liquidation? I think what you think. It's going to take liquidation. I'm up 8K in that trade. Where can I buy Tesla? Charles Schwab Interactive Brokers. You can take the Stock Guru Mastercourse, jamescryptoguru.com. What country were you born in? James, Australia. I thought we were moving down. You opened at 60K. It broke out. Don't go out without clothes. You'll get sick again. Thank you, RTS. Turbo, love. Coinbase listing coming soon. Alimo, that's a scam. See that? Alimo. I won't hide this person from the channel because maybe it is, but be careful of these where they spam it to the moon, which is beautiful. And join us in the Telegram. There's 169 of you online. People talking about virus, about pump, the market, Bitcoin, showing your gains. Everyone, post your gains, your trades in here. And NEO, I think, they never built anything that they said 800%. I'd be careful of NEO. It's been years. I was buying them in 2016, I think. I didn't close my position. You can join them in the chat, everyone. 100 of you plus online, 500 of you at nighttime. Also, you can go down below, sign up to Bybit. 60K bonus when you start trading using that link for Bybit. CoinW gives a 3K bonus. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the Stock Guru Mastercourse, Crypto Mastercourse. Make sure you learn them before you trade and to join us in the Telegram. And again, you can just see some of the comments from this guy made $14,000 profit. This guy made my portfolio to hit $1 million because of today. This guy, James, took some profits, bought a Harley Davidson, process buying $2 million house, villa in Punta Cana, 500K. I made 20,000 profits in portfolio. Recommend everyone buy his course. You can just join them all in the Telegram and follow me also on X. 92,500 followers on X. Worth all the share. This is Elon Musk being introduced as the Doge father. My Bitcoin trade a few minutes ago at 70K was at 8,800. So we broke through 70K, which is beautiful. Love you all. Big congratulations, Doge, Bitcoin, Tesla. Amazing gains, all of you. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you're new or skeptical, watch my videos, learn. I want you to learn how to fish. Don't copy me. I don't want anyone to copy me. Do your own due diligence. I want to teach you how to fish. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.